All right. Hello. Morning, everyone. Coming to you live from the incredible Bali. And got up this morning. It's just gorgeous. Look at it behind me. Coming to you from the site of where the financial summit took place last October and the Bali Financial Summit 2020, November 1 to 7, is going to take place. I am here in Bali. Thought I would stop by, say hi to the amazing staff at the resort, and work out a few details about the upcoming event. Just look at this. This is the villa that most people were staying in. These types of villas, they have like suites as well. You get your own private pool. And just look at the scenery, guys. I really wanted to come here and stay a night or two. It's a little expensive, so I'm not going to stay here the whole week. But this room is included when you come to the financial summit. Here is the inside of my villa. That's the living room, if you can see it. And the bedroom is inside. This is, I'll show you one more view, and then we'll take a look at the price real quick. So there it is. So this, oh, wait. My camera is limited on how far it can stretch. Hold on. There you go. Hopefully the sun is not in your way. And check out the ceiling. Yeah, these are awesome. Absolutely awesome. This place is really incredible. Here, another look out into the ocean. There's a private beach. There's an elevator that goes to the beach. We're pretty high up on a cliff. But hey, that's why we have elevators. Takes you right down to the private beach. All right. Now that we got the scenery out of the way, I'm in the sun. This won't last long. And you got your own private pool with your villa. Oh, we gotta put that here. There we go. All right, let's go to the charts. Let's take a look at what's going on. There we go. That's better. Price popped a little bit. We were looking at some stocks on the last video. I don't see your live chat actually. Let me see. Yeah, morning. It's morning for me. I know it's nighttime in New York. Yeah, I finally get to enjoy this place. When I got here last time, it was with the summit, and like it was so stressful because it's a conference and you want to make sure everyone gets their money's worth and everyone's having a good time. I was also kind of frustrated with the whole Craig Wright situation and the crypto community, so I didn't stream from here at all, maybe once. But it's great now. It's way more relaxing. It's awesome. Yeah, I could always move to Bali. It's nice here. Okay, let's look at the price. Here's the weekly chart. We bounced a little bit the other day. The price was down all the way to 8,200, and we are now back to 80. Where are we here? Oh, I thought I saw 84 and change when I got up this morning. Did we drop another 100 points? Thought I saw close to 85, in fact. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, 83.44 on stamp. Ooh, not good. Not good. So what happened? Did we just drop? We must have just dropped in the last hour. Should have done this video the moment I woke up. The sun rises right behind me. I don't know if I'll stay here tonight or not. But if I do, I'll try to bring you a sunrise episode. But I'm staying at nice hotels on the other side of Bali. I actually want to see Bali. That's the main reason why I'm back. I was here for a week for the financial summit, but I didn't get to see any Bali. We were basically at this resort the whole time because this resort is absolutely gorgeous. And I strongly encourage it. I don't want to necessarily make the name public because I don't want people coming here, renting rooms for the financial summit without registering for the financial summit. But those of you in Bali that are interested, you can check it out. The resort is awesome. Absolutely awesome. I'll stay here a few nights. maybe. We'll see. It's still good. It's still good not to stay here. And here is the current daily chart. We are on A7. So it's possible there could be some relief in a couple of days. Now the 6 candle did swing you down quite low. And let's see if we can get that perfected 9. This is not a good looking daily chart. We are following this arrow absolutely perfectly. And I do think it's gonna most likely keep going down. I think this dead cat bounce is over. It lasted a little longer than I expected. And this is not a good looking chart. The weekly chart is also pretty weak. I would not want to be long in this market right now, even though the weekly sequential is telling you to stay confident and stay long. I don't like the daily sequential. The daily flipped over on this red 3 going below the red 2. We then broke the stop and reverse point, and now it's pretty rough. I know I was gonna consider getting into GBTC, but of course I didn't because I was stuck at the airport all day. And now the GBTC premium is back up. It went from under 10% back to 16%, which is unfortunate. But I think the price of Bitcoin is going to be going down, so I'm not really in a rush to buy this thing. Ideally, I would buy it, in a few months before the halving or right after the halving. That's it. My computer might overheat because I'm in direct sun. Ooh, the stock market fell this morning. Don't know what happened there. But like I said, I would have been cautious the stock market because of this 913 daily that took place last week. The daily sequential is still pretty strong, but the weekly sequential is pretty strong, but the daily one did throw a bunch of caution flags. Gold is up. Gold should be topping next week when it reaches a 9. But for now, gold is still looking very, very good. All right, that's pretty much it for me. I'll show you the gorgeous scenery behind me one more time. As far as the Bitcoin price is concerned, I am still a bear here. The daily is looking very bearish. You do have moving average support around 8,000. That could be the low on this swing, and then we can start to go up. It is possible that the lows are in. However, I still believe there is a 60% chance that we go below 6,500. I've had this percentage for months now. I don't want that door to slam. Okay. Though it still might. Yeah, that's it. Hey, if you want to support, check out the affiliate section of tonevays.com. Also, the site that I'm streaming from. This is the site of the Bali November 1 to 7 Financial Summit. This gorgeous villa and the private pool behind me. We're gonna have villas or we're gonna have suites overlooking the ocean off a cliff. Those are the two types of rooms here: villas with a private pool or the suites. Check out the testimonials. Here is Socrates. Here is Leah. We still got to get here's Da Vinci talking about it. We got to get a few more up. Here are some of the pictures from last year's financial summit. Here's the agenda. That was the first annual summit. We're going to be doing so much better in the future ones because now we know how successful these events are. And there's going to be one before this, April 19 to 25 in the Dominican Republic. You can read the who this is geared to. This is for the second annual in DR. There'll be the third annual. Will be back in Bali. Gotta, update the presenters list and attendees. Like, there's no real speakers here. It's anyone could present. Anyone who's confident about their trading or their fund could present. Okay. One more look. Don't forget, Unconfiscatable is also on sale. But since I'm at the resort in Bali, we're going to talk about Bali. And yeah, let me cut the feed. You guys got my price of Bitcoin. Here it is. One more look at the resort. You know what? Maybe I'll take the camera off the tripod. And this way you guys can see what I see. Let's do that. Boom. Now you guys can see what I see as I walk around with the computer. Here's a villa. That's your entrance. Just got here late last night. Unfortunately, my flight was delayed by like 7 hours. Really wanted to enjoy this pool at sunset, but I didn't get here till like midnight from Australia. So here is the edge of the villa. Other villas are like around in a circle. That's that giant glass building that you see. That's the elevator going down to the beach, to the private beach. Here are the villas. You're pretty private here. That's your own private pool. Here's the room. Here's the living room. Giant ceilings. Look at that. This is a one bedroom. You can see me in the mirror. And there's the bedroom. Just got up this morning. Still pretty early here. And there's the giant bathroom and shower and tub. It's awesome. The suites overlooking the cliff, you have like the bathtub like right by the window. You can like literally on the edge of a cliff taking your bath or shower. Some of the suites have private pools as well. Look at that. They're so nice here. Welcome back. They all remember us. All right, well, that's it. I might just jump in this pool here and relax, finally get to enjoy this place instead of running an event, which is great. All right, guys. Hey, thank you so much for watching. And hopefully, I'll see you here in Bali in November. Bye, guys.